This video is not going to be like other videos in which I'm telling you something related to freelancing, LinkedIn, or any other stuff, cold emailing, or all that stuff like that. This video is going to be an eye-opening one in which I'm going to share 3 harsh truths that changed my life. This video is going to be a very raw one in which I'm not filtering anything and I'll be speaking my heart out. I'll be sharing the things which transformed my life and which helped me achieve so much at this age. Like it was publishing a book in 9th standard, working as a freelancer with more than 3 clients in last 2 to 3 months, starting up with my YouTube, going on national debates and national ethics bowl, getting good score in class 10 boards also. In this video, I'm going to share 3 truths that transform my life, and now I'm not affected by whatever else is happening in my life. I'm just staying consistent, working on myself, and all this stuff. I also want you to achieve much. I also want you to get better and to achieve more stuff. That's why I'm sharing these truths that transform my life. This is going to be a very real video, very heart to heart talk, in which I'll be sharing 3 things that transform my life. So make sure to watch it till the end, and I'll be sharing everything. I'll be telling every my of the experience and all that stuff, which is going to help you out. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. First thing that transformed my life is, in order to love what you are becoming, you need to love the circumstances that shaped you. Absolutely. If you are in love with yourself, first of all, you need to have self-love. You need to love yourself for what you are right now. You need to accept your flaws while striving to get better. You need to accept yourself as you are right now. Accept yourself. Start setting goals for yourself. Start falling in love with yourself. Once you fall in love with yourself, start working for your better version and appreciate the circumstances that shaped you in that way. We keep on blaming. Our parents didn't give us this. I was born in a poor family. I was born in a tier 2 city. That's why I'm not achieving something big or stuff like that. These all are excuses. You need to love your circumstances in order to love what you are becoming, in order to love what you will be achieving, in order to fall in love with your future self, in order to be grateful for your future self. You need to first be grateful for the circumstances that shaped you. Let's take an example. Our worthy Prime Minister नरेंद्र मोदी जी, मे बी अगर वो चाय फेल ना करते होते या छोटे होते, मे बी उनको लग्जरीज मिली होती सारी जो हम सबको है मिली है, तो आज वो एक ग्लोबल लीडर की पोजीशन पे ना ही होते. उनका वो परसेप्शन ना होता, उनके वो माइंडसेट ना होते, उन्होंने वो इतनी चीजें फेस ना की होती जो आज उन्हें वो एक पोजीशन होल्ड करने के काबिल बना रही है ना. वी नीड टू फॉल इन लव विद द सर्कमस्टांसेस दैट शेप्ड अस. आपको वो लग्जरीज नहीं मिली, आपको वो आईफोन नहीं मिला, मे बी आज आप उसी आईफोन को पाने के लिए काम मेहनत ज्यादा कर रहे हो कि हाँ मैं अपने लिए आईफोन ले पाऊं. You are becoming the better version of yourself, and to fall in love with your better version, you need to be grateful for the circumstances that shaped you. If you will keep on crying कि मेरे को ये नहीं मिला, मेरे को वो नहीं मिला, nothing is going to change. You need to be grateful, you need to be thankful, and still you need to start working on your future self and to get the things you desire for. You can change your circumstances. There is a quote saying like, if you are born poor, that's not fault, and that's not your fault. But yes, if you die poor, that is surely your fault. And of course, you can't change your circumstances at this moment. You can't change your past circumstances. But be grateful for that, because those circumstances have shaped you. Your current circumstances are shaping you for a future version. Maybe आज आपको आईफोन नहीं मिला. You are working damn hard for getting an iPhone. आप कुछ नया सीख रहे हो, अपनी एक better version बन रहे हो. Fall in love with your circumstances. Stop crying for these petty reasons कि I didn't got this, I didn't got this. You have got so many things. Be grateful for that. you have a healthy body, you have a loving parents, or whatever like that. Fall in love with your circumstances and your blessings. वो circumstances ही हैं जिन्होंने आपको शेप किया और आज आप एक अच्छी डायरेक्शन पे हो। आज आप एक ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, आज आपका माइंडसेट सही है कि हाँ आपको कुछ फ्यूचर में अचीव करना है। These are those circumstances only. अगर जो भी circumstances होते, अगर वो circumstances ही ना होते, मे बी आज आप एक wrong company में होते। Like we as a teenagers blame our parents कि वो हमें ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं जाने देते and random stuff like that. बट अगर वो हमें ज़्यादा बाहर जाने देते, मे बी आज हम एक गलत कंपनी में होते। ये वीडियो देखने की बजाय, अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने की बजाय अभी हम बाहर सिगरेट्स कर ले रहे होते, स्मोक कर रहे होते एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ। Fall in love with your circumstances. Those are the things that are shaping you. Try working on yourself. Try setting goals for yourself, for your future self, and fall in love with your circumstances that have shaped you and that are shaping you to achieve that milestone, to achieve that your future self. So in order to love your future self, in order to love what you are becoming, you need to love the circumstances that shaped you, जिन्होंने आपको उस चीज के लिए मेहनत करने लायक बनाया। अगर वो circumstances ही ना होते, मे बी आप किसी और सिचुएशन में होते। So fall in love with your circumstances and be grateful. Fall in love with your future self, your current self, and be grateful for the circumstances that shaped you. Now the second thing is, everything is hard and boring and nothing is easy. If getting up early, going for a workout is tough for an entrepreneur, for a successful person, it is tough for you also, and I agree. But the winners are the ones who do their hard, who choose their hard today for an easy tomorrow. Indeed, I realized this thing during my 10th board exams. जब पढ़ना पड़ा दिन के 10-10 घंटे, आई रियलाइज ये कितना बोरिंग है। उससे पहले भी मैंने यूट्यूब का ट्राई किया था, बट आई वॉज नॉट कंसिस्टेंट विद दैट। बट देन आई रियलाइज कि सब कुछ बोरिंग है, सब कुछ टफ है। इट्स ऑल द गेम ऑफ दिस माइंड सेट। एक्सेप्ट करो कि अपना टफ आज कर दे ताकि एक ईजी टुमारो के लिए। एंड कुछ भी ईजी नहीं है, इवन फ्री रहना भी ईजी नहीं है। फ्री रहने टाइम भी ओवर थिंकिंग होती है एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ लाइक दैट हैपेंस। So I can say that everything is hard, everything is boring. Accept that and be disciplined. Discipline में रहना boring है, सब कुछ ही boring है, सब कुछ ही hard है। Free रहना भी tough है। अगर if you like roaming around the city, on the streets and all that stuff, it also gets boring after some time. So discipline is necessary. Inculcate in yourself like, yes, I'll do something hard today for an easy tomorrow. Choose your hard wisely. Choose your hard today for an easy tomorrow, or choose your easy today for a hard tomorrow. It is all your choice. सब कुछ ही बोरिंग है अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरा आई डोंट हैव अ पैशन राइट नाउ। पैशन नाम की मेरे अकॉर्डिंग कोई चीज ही नहीं होती। Passion, if you sit with a chartered accountant for a few days, you will start developing interest in stocks and all that stuff. If you sit with a doctor for a few days, you will start getting health conscious and stuff like that. Passion changes. There's nothing like passion. You need to be dedicated towards the work you are pursuing right now, and slowly you will start developing passion in that thing. Everything is tough, everything is boring. Just train your mindset to be disciplined, to be consistent. और अपना बोरिंग कर लो यार थोड़ी देर। दिन में 24 घंटे में 1-2 घंटे अपना बोरिंग काम कर लो and see how your life will shift from to get an easy tomorrow. Everything is boring, everything is hard. This is the harsh reality. So choose your hard wisely. Number 3 is, your dream life can be converted into real reality by yourself only. Nobody else is going to come and transform your life into your dream life one. Indeed, you are the main character, main hero of your own movie. Nobody else is going to come transform your life. No miracle is going to happen and your life will be transformed. You have to work hard. We see on YouTube, like you see a YouTuber booming up in a day, and you may seem like it is an overnight success. You see Neeraj Chopra when he won a gold medal in Olympics, that he became an overnight success. No, it required a lot of hard work, years of hard work, and after that they achieved something big and they created a dream life for themselves. And absolutely nobody is going to come and give you all the luxuries. Nobody is going to, if somebody in your family wins a lottery also, it is also their money, it is not your money. You may get some share, but of course not all. So you only can make your dream life a reality. And everybody in this world is selfish. Everybody has their motive. It may be parents or anybody else. Everybody has some selfish motive. And it is only you that who can be true companion with you like for the whole life. So make sure that you create your dream life. If you are not having something right now, if you can't afford, or if your parents are not buying you an iPhone right now, take the in charge of buying an iPhone on yourself. Okay, they are not buying me right now, I'll earn money and buy an iPhone for myself. Don't think I'll make a friend who will give me this thing or something like that. No, make it like I am going to work and I am going to buy an iPhone for myself. Take the in charge on yourself. I want a luxury car. No, I'm not going to ride in my wife's car, in my husband's car, husband Mercedes, wife's BMW. I'm going to buy myself own. I'm going to buy my dream car on my own. Take in charge of your life. No magic is going to happen and is going to transform your life. You have to work hard for that. Nobody else is going to come and give you all the luxuries. You have to work for yourself. In first point, we talked about your circumstances. So if you are not liking your current situation, your current circumstances, only you can change your circumstances. मे बी वो सर्कमस्टांसेस आपकी फैमिली में भी किसी को चेंज पसंद नहीं है, बट वो अपने लिए सर्कमस्टांसेस बदल सकते हैं, वो आपके लिए नहीं बदलेंगे, मे बी आपके लिए सर्कमस्टांसेस सेम ही रहे. आपको अपने आप पे काम करना है. यू नीड टू वर्क बाय योर सेल्फ एंड देन ओनली यू कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म योर लाइफ, यू कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म, मेक योर ड्रीम लाइफ अ रियलिटी. Nobody else is going to come and make your dream life a reality. So take the in charge of your life on yourself. And to be honest, motivation is overrated. You may seem like, okay, I don't have motivation right now, so I am not working. Motivation is overrated. Motivation and discipline accompany each other. Okay, now if after watching this video you are motivated, you start execution. But slowly you will start lacking that motivation. No matter you see this video twice, thrice, or as many times, you are not going to get that much motivation. So in that case, once you get motivation, build a disciplined routine. Start working with discipline. Now you are lacking that motivation, but discipline will force you to get back and work and get back to that motivation level and start execution. Motivation and discipline accompany each other, and when they both accompany, they are unbeatable. They become a magical combination. I got to some another point, but yes, अपनी ड्रीम लाइफ ना आप खुद बना सकते हो. अगर आप करते रहोगे कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने ये नहीं दिया, मेरे लाइफ पार्टनर मेरे को ये नहीं दिया, माई लाइफ इज रॉन्ग, माई सर्कमस्टांसेस आर नॉट गुड एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, दीज ऑल आर एक्सक्यूजेस. अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ बदलनी है तो वो आप खुद ही बदल सकते हो, कोई और आके आपकी लाइफ नहीं बदलेगा. सो मेक श्योर टू कन्वर्ट योर ड्रीम लाइफ इनटू योरसेल्फ. एंड ये इंचार्ज अपने ऊपर लो कि किसी और को ब्लेम ही मत करो. नॉट फॉर योर सर्कमस्टांसेस एंड नॉट ऑल्सो फॉर हैविंग अ योर ड्रीम लाइफ. इन सारी चीज़ों के इंचार्ज आप खुद हो. टेक दैट इंचार्ज ऑन योरसेल्फ एंड एक्सेप्ट दैट first and third were more related. Take that in first and third were more related and take that charge on yourself. Circumstances ka don't blame onto anybody else. Try to create your dream life on your own. And the second truth stated that yes, it may seem boring, it may seem consistency tough lagegi, discipline tough lagega and all that stuff. But once you accept that everything is hard, but just you need to work in continuation, you need to keep working hard, and soon you will see lots of success. I can guarantee it. You will see lots of success. Accept take that burden on yourself ki you have the power to transform your life. Stop blaming other people and just be consistent. Accept that everything is tough, everything is boring. You have to do it today for an easy tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure you will be able to transform your life. Lots of good vibes to you. I hope this video helped you out. If yes, start taking action from like just after like watching this video. Start building your goals. Start having a frame out and write down. Writing down goals help a lot. So make sure to write down your goals and start execution just after watching this video. And if you liked it, make sure to subscribe and go and make your to-do list, make your goal list, and I hope you achieve lots of success. This is Sameeksha signing off.